Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your achievements and post them on LinkedIn. So all you need to do is press on start a post and then type something like so glad to announce my new position as business manager in KFC in Milano or something like this. And then you can also add media, attach file, upload from computer and then select any picture that it seems relevant to that achievement and then just press on next and then just press on post and it will be posted. And also what you need to do else is go to your profile and then view profile, and in your profile add profile section, and then if your achievement is in education you can add education and then add the achievement education here. If your achievement is a position for like in the example that we gave, you press on add position. If your achievement is about services or career break or anything or skills, new skill or anything, you can just update your profile and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.